What's your opening conversation when door knocking pre-foreclosures? Joseph, great question. All right, here's the thing. In your mind, and I know that you can't really respond and we're not really having a conversation here, but in your mind, when you go up to the door, do you think that they know why you are there once you ask them if they're the owner of the property? Yes, they know why you're there. They know why you're there. They have been getting hundreds of calls. They've got stacks of mail this big, all right? Go there and be you. Be conversational. Now, when you knock on a door, make sure that you stand away from the door. Make sure you're kind of looking into the yard or the street. Listen, I knocked, like, with a team, I probably personally knocked about 2,000 doors, but the whole team did like 15,000. You stand there and you look out on the street, you look on here, and you just, hey, yeah, oh, yeah, I know that this is out of the blue, but I was stopping by. I'm looking to buy a home in the neighborhood, and I just wanted to see if you would consider an offer on this property. Right? Just go that way. They're going to be like, oh, no, slam. Or they're going to be like, oh, it's because I'm in pre-foreclosure. You can be like, you know what, that did come up on the app that I have or whatever. And I just, I work with a lot of people that, that are in this situation, and I help them get out of it. So I wanted to stop by and see if we could have a conversation and just see if there was a way that we could work together so that you could avoid, having a foreclosure on your record for the next 7 years. Right? Like, it's just have that conversation, but open it up the same way we open everything up. If you go, hey, listen, are you John? Right? Are you John? Yeah, well, who's asked? Oh, John, on this app here, it says that you're in foreclosure. Don't do that. Don't do that. You know what? You're going to start off on the wrong foot. They're going to have to defend themselves. They're going to be like, oh, you know what I mean? Go there, just have a conversation with them and see if they would consider an offer. See what they're doing. There's some other, services. There's some other ways that we can help you out if you need to. Have you tried to negotiate a loan modification? Do you have any friends or family that maybe could give you a loan to help get you caught up, get you back on their feet, whatever. So just have the conversation. Listen, if they're going to slam the door in your face, they're going to slam the door in your face. I'd rather it happen quicker, but I don't want you to go out there and offend people and feel bad about it. It just doesn't feel good. I mean, it just doesn't feel good, okay?